There are no random moves in the stock market. Tesla closed at 357.09, but what is the high of the day? 360. What does that make us think about? 360. Oh, yeah. We have a resistance at 360.65. 65 cents off of 360. We are 0.18% off. 0.18% off. This is almost cheating. We are kind of cheating. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. Look at this. We closed above 348.29, which is right here. And we started to see, this is where we closed above. We closed above. We had seen, that we were climbing a little bit, even a little bit steeper. Boom. But we are still stopped at 360.65. Look at this. First hour of the day, fourth hour of the day, then we started, and look at this one. We are super close. We are super close. So 360.65 is a resistance. What is a resistance? This is a seller's paradise. So there are enough sellers there that buyers don't have to pay higher than 360.65 to get a share of Tesla. They just need to say, I want a share, and somebody that has a share will gladly sell lower than 360.65. Why do they sell? We don't know. Maybe they want to take profit. Maybe they are short sellers. Maybe they are a big institution that is dumping Tesla stock. Who knows? Who knows? But the fact is that there's plenty of supply. So resistance is supply. There's plenty of supply. Once supply is going to dry out, assuming that the demand stays the same or increases, once supplies dries out, then the price is going to go higher. We are going to know when we start breaking higher than that 360.65. So all we have to do is wait, keep our money safe in our mattress, and wait until we have a close above, and then we can say, well, okay, supply has dried up. Demand is still there and still strong. If it's going higher, then let's join that demand and let's take another swing. What swing would that be? It would be a swing until the next resistance, the next supply. Next supply is at 403 and 415. So we should be getting up to that number. And then we might pause again, consolidate again, and then we are going to see what is the supply and demand after that consolidation. So this is what it is. We are observing the supply and demand frontiers. If we start breaking lower than 325, we are going to be concerned a little bit. If we start going lower than 309, we are going to be more concerned because we are at the same time going sideways, at the same time going higher. And we are in this trapeze. This is a trapeze. And we are going to see what happens. If it goes lower than 309, then we should be getting close to 275. If we close lower than 360.65, then we are going to 403. You can own Tesla share and just hold on to it. You can have gotten out and just waiting for the next move. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX continuing lower. We love this at 13.33. Very, very low. Very, very low. This is helping the stock market as a whole. Let's take a look at the 10-year bonds. They are dropping. This is also helping. This is really nice to see this. Oh, Tesla, it has moved a lot. It has moved a lot recently. Now it's just waiting the next move. So we are impatient. I am impatient a little bit, but I should not be. Dow Jones, okay day, basically hanging in there, very high. S&P 500, again, look at this. Following this line right there, right smack on the line, up 0.24%. And NASDAQ continuing after the break. We still have some resistance right here. This one right here, we stopped right smack on it. Again, cannot make this up. Stop right smack on it. And if we break it, then we are going. Let's take a look at the economic indicators. So we had some numbers this morning. ISM manufacturing PMI. Previous 46, consensus 47, forecast 47, actual 48. Increased to 48.4 in November, beating forecast. The reading pointed to another, albeit softer contraction in the manufacturing sectors. New orders rebounded after 7 months of contraction, 50.4 versus 47. And production a little bit higher, employment higher, and inventories higher. So demand remains weak as companies prepare plans for 2025 with the benefit of the election cycle ending. Production execution eased in November, consistent with demand sluggishness and weak backlog. Suppliers continue to have capacity with lead times improving, but some product shortages reappearing. And the manufacturing ISM report on business is based on data compiled from purchasing and supply executives nationwide. Survey responses reflect the change, if any, in the current month compared to previous month for each of the indicators. New orders, backlog orders, new export orders, blah, blah, blah. This is what we have right here. This is very interesting. We don't base our decision, our buying and selling decision on that, but just contextual information that can give us more confidence that maybe when we have a break of resistance, if all the fundamentals are great, then maybe we just put more money into that. This is how it can be useful. And coming back to Tesla, Wedbush raised Tesla's price target to $400. Guess what? Where did he take that 400? Well, he used an even number, but it's not the real number. It's going to stop at 405 or 415. It won't stop. It might pause at 400, but it won't stop there. Keeping an outperform rating, they expect clarity from the new Trump administration to boost Tesla's full self-driving suite and cyber cabs. Yeah, January 28th. And Roth MKM upgraded Tesla to a buy rating from neutral and raised its price target to 380. So this one is a little bit shy of 403, reflecting optimism about the company's growth potential. So, we are seeing people telling us, okay, this is the new price target. They see exactly the same thing that we are seeing here. They see the stock come close to that resistance. And on the stock market floor, they all have this line right here. I used to work there. So people are seeing the light. Oh, okay, it's coming close. So yeah, we better raise our stock price prediction and we are going to look like geniuses. Well, if they are geniuses, I am one. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.